Hello class. In this video, we are going to do this next exercise. Computer games have been around for a long time. The first games were written as simple versions of pencil games like tic-tac-toe, followed by games like Oregon Trail and Where in the World's Carmen Sandiego. Commercial games are much more complex. They require many programmers, graphic artists, and everything else, large marketing staffs. A game might cost many millions of dollars, but it might make several hundreds of millions of dollars. Obviously, with brief introduction to programming you have had in this chapter, you cannot create a very sophisticated game. However, you can get started. For games to hold your interest, they almost always include some random, unpredictable behavior. For example, a game in which you shoot asteroids loses some of its fun if the asteroids follow the same predictable path each time you play the game. Therefore, generating random values is a key component in creating most interesting computer games. To fully understand the process of generating random numbers and to understand all the parts of the following statement, you must learn more about C# classes and methods. For now, however, you can copy the following statement to display a random number between 1 and 10 that is equal to or greater than 1 and less than 10. So we have this code right here. Code line reads, so this is just a description of what the code line is. Incorporate this statement into a program named randnum. Execute the program several times to make sure it works. Okay, so let's get rid of our ABC over here. And our class was random. And where is that line of code? I'm just going to copy and paste it. And if I run it, I get an error. Why do I get an error? Here's our error message. Random does not contain a definition for next. Okay. Oh, the reason why is because I named the class I'm currently making random, but random is a built-in class, and we cannot use that because the program's getting confused. So when I say new random, it's looking at the class I'm just making, which doesn't make sense. So we need to make the class something like randnum instead. So if we run it, it gets 7. If we run it again, it gets 6. So there's not really anything extra to do here. It's just checking out random numbers. Okay, and that's all it is. It's a random number generator. That's all it's doing. We have a number 1 and a number 10. So this is the boundaries, the bounds. The lower bound is 1, the upper bound is 10, meaning that it can be 1 and up to 9 because whatever the upper bound is, it's not going to go there. All right, let me know if you have any issues, and we'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good day.